Remember, you must have an adult supervising you, and always ask an adult before using their vinegar. And these experiments are very easy and can be done at home. This is the scientist signing out. This happens because when baking powder and vinegar react, carbon dioxide is produced. No, it looks like a joke. I'm starting this again.
Oh, it looks so nice.
No.
It looks so cool.
No.
I mean, it does.
I mean, does it look cool?
It does.
She's taking her tongue out at me.
Come.
This happens because when baking powder...
Your mic is doubling up for one.
So you have to say something. This happens because when baking powder... This happens because when baking powder and vinegar react, but if you leave it for a couple of days, if you leave it for... And... This is the scientist signing out. Allah Hafiz.
This is the scientist. अच्छे से बोलो.
Carbon dioxide is produced and it concentrates.
Look at that until this happens.
Alina, can you hear me?
Thumbs up.
Oh, 1 second. Let's start like this. What? Fill the container a little bit more than halfway with water. We don't have enough water. Fill the container a little bit less than halfway with water.
Again, we're looking into the.
Always make sure your workspace is always. I needed to.
This is my workspace.
It's true. Mr. Pick and Flick.
इसकी भी badges बनाने के लिए.
This is gonna come bloopers. Okay. No. Okay. Darn it. Take 6.
Okay, yeah, keep track of that. So this take 6, okay?
This is all recording. This can be bloopers. Oh.